Hello again. Today I'm going to be taking a look at a Wilson Bohannan. It is marked 620. Um, Other than that, I really don't know much about the lock. I got it from an antique store about month and a half. Yeah, but maybe 2 months ago. I'm not sure. It was sitting around for a while. I decided to soak it in some vinegar and rub it down with some brass O and kind of bring some life back into it. This is the key that came with it. I believe it's original. The lock works great. I think it works better now that I've cleaned it. It was a little sticky, especially inside here in the shackle. But yeah, to pick it, I'm going to use a 50 thousandths pry bar from Sparrows and a standard hook from Peterson in 18 thousandths. So nothing on one, a little click on two, three, nothing on four. Hard to get around the warding back there at five. I'm on top of that rail in the middle. I think I got five up. Nothing on four again. Three feeling. Two, got some rotation there. Feels almost like counter rotation there. Three. Let's go back to one. One, two, three, four. There it is, five. So something was holding us up back there at five. So that's it. Wilson Bohannan 620 padlock picked. Thank you for watching and happy picking.